what's up and welcome to the video. So in today's video we will talk about key number one. We will talk about how you can finally start growing your Instagram account. And yeah, you already watched the first videos here inside Instagram Secrets. You took a look at the Instagram growth preparation, you took a look at Instagram Secrets, and you now already have the foundation. You already have the knowledge, and you have everything that you need to successfully grow an Instagram account. And with those strategies, with like the stuff that I showed you in Instagram Secrets, you will 100% be able to get new followers each and every single day. And with that, you will definitely be part of the 1% on Instagram, because most people don't even have the AVR formula. They don't know anything about the red line and all that stuff, okay? But in this video, we will talk about like a really specific, let's call it growth, not really growth strategy, but we will talk about the keys to success on Instagram, right? So in the Instagram Secrets video, we talked about the foundation, okay? This is what you need. This is what you need to have, okay? Now, to then be able to grow faster, to get like 500 or 1,000 followers per day and even more, you need to follow the two keys, right? And the two keys for massive Instagram growth are, first of all, badass content, right? And you need early engagement. Those are the two things. And once you have that, you can then start using different growth strategies to grow faster, to get more followers. But yeah, in today's video, we will talk about key number one, which is badass content. Oh, what is this? I will just click that away. But yeah, we will talk today in this video about key number one, badass content. And for that, I just want to jump into Instagram and I will show you what badass content is and what it looks like. Now, we talked about that you can start a personal brand, that you can start a brand account and stuff like that. And like what I mean with badass content is, look, like when it comes to business, when it comes to making money, like money is the most competitive thing in the world, right? And what you want to make sure is that each and every single time when you do something in your business, okay, because business is about making money, helping people, all that stuff, but a business has always the goal to make money, right? Or most of the times, right? Like 95% of the times. And money is the most competitive thing in the world. That means you have to be really, really, really good in business. You can't be like average. You can't be a 5 out of 10, a 6 out of 10, a 7 out of 10. You need to be an 8 out of 10 or better, okay? And that's what this whole badass content thing is about, because content is what will make your account grow. You need it, okay? To stay alive, okay? In like real life, you need to breathe. You need air, right? You need to breathe to be able to stay alive. And that's the same when it comes to like growing an Instagram account. You need to post. You need to put out content, okay? And depending on like how good the air is, like for example, like for example in India, there's like very bad air, right? The condition of the air is not really good. In Germany, it's way better, okay? And the same is on Instagram. Like you have to post high quality content that is proven. You need just badass content. In today's video, I will show you how to find that content, how to create that content, and I will just in general show you exactly what it is, okay? So your content should be an 8 out of 10 or better, okay? And how you can figure out what kind of content you should post on your Instagram account is what you basically do is like depending on what niche you're in, and depending on whether you have a brand account or whether you have a personal brand, you just go to accounts that are in your niche. And then what you do is you take a look at all the posts, okay? So you scroll through their feed and you take a look at all the posts. And then you just take a look, okay? This post has 1,500 likes. This one has 2,000. Oh, 8,000 views, 1,500. Oh, 2,200, 2,000, 1,500, 2,000. Okay. The average is somewhere at like 1,500, right? And you take a look at all the content. Oh, this post, 2,400 likes. That's pretty good, okay? And then you take a look at the posts that perform very good. This post, you can see a face, you can see like Nicholas or me with Tai Lopez and smiling. Okay, then you take a look at all the other stuff. Here's one with 2,000 likes. Wow, this one, 4,020 likes. Okay, what is it? Okay, and what you then do is you just take a look at all the content from accounts in your niche, right? In your market. That are, like if you have a personal brand, you take a look at personal brands in your niche. If you have a brand account, you take a look at brand accounts in your niche. And you then analyze their content. You take a look at the posts that get the most likes, or that get more likes than the average post does. And then you take a look at it. You see, okay, this post worked very good. This one worked also good. This one worked also good. Right, okay. This one also worked pretty good. It has a call to action in the post. Okay, double tap if you are going to be a millionaire. Then this post performed also pretty good. This one didn't perform good. This one performed very bad. This one again performed good. This one performed also very good. This one performed okay. This one also okay, like a little bit better than the average. This one performed also very good. This one also like a little bit better than average. This one didn't that good. And this one also didn't perform that good, okay? So you just take a look at all the content from accounts that are in your niche, and you take a look at the content. And then you write down, okay, this is what works, this kind of post works. And what you do is, what I would do is go and screenshot all those posts and make an extra folder on your computer, on your phone, so that you then have all the content like in one folder, so that you can always see what works and what doesn't work, right? And what you then can simply do is you can recreate that content. So if you see that, for example, selfies work pretty good, or that posts with an amazing background work very good, or if you're on the business niche and you take a look at, for example, or if you're the motivational quotes niche and you take a look at content from, for example, Millionaire Mentor, right? And if you realize that, for example, I can take a look at the content. Okay, 33K, 36K, 33, 37. So on average, the posts get like a little bit less than 30K. This one performed very good. Boom, 46,000 likes. You take a look at the post, screenshot it, and you just take a look at what works and what doesn't, right? So you take a look at all the content, and there's a pretty cool strategy that you can use, okay? So you just randomly go into the account, take a look at 10 posts, you add up all the likes together, and then you divide that by 10, and then you have the average amount of likes that profile gets. And then you take a look at the content that performs 50% better than the average, or even more, okay? And then you just screenshot all the content, and you recreate it, right? You take the content and you create something like that. You maybe change the colors a little bit, and you just take a look and you ask yourself, okay, how can I recreate this post and make it just a little bit better? Because if you just take the content from all the other pages that already are like the best posts of the page, and if you then think about how can I make this post a little bit better, okay? So for example, let's see. We said this post performed pretty good, 46,000 likes. We take a look at it and we take a look at, okay, how can we make this post better? What can we do in the post? It's very high quality, logos inside. Oh, we could maybe exclude the logo because that will probably give the post more reach, okay? So you take a look at it. It looks amazing, the post, okay? We have amazing colors, it's high quality. And then you take a look at the caption, okay? Short caption. Pick your desired lifestyle, okay? Great. Call to action, okay? Who's starting a business in 2020? Question. Comment below, also call to action. But what you could do to make that post just a little bit better is you could like make the caption longer, right? You could write a caption that's pretty long so that people take a look at the caption and read it, and then Instagram will see, oh, lots of people spend more time on their post than on average, and then it will perform better. So what you have to do, right, to grow your Instagram account is you need badass content. How you find the badass content is you just go to pages in your niche, you take a look at the content, you add up the last 10 posts, the amount of likes, you divide that by 10, then you have average likes, and then you search through the page and take a look at the top performing posts that perform better than the average, that perform 50%, 100%, or whatever better than the average post on that page. And then you take a look at it, you screenshot it, and you recreate the post, and you just think about, okay, how can I make this post just a little bit better? Maybe it's excluding a logo or putting in like a smaller logo. Maybe it's recreating it in a higher quality. Maybe it's fixing a spelling mistake. Maybe it's using other colors. Maybe it's writing a longer caption. Maybe it's using better hashtags. Maybe it's just replying to all the comments that are under the post, okay? And then you just think about how can I make this post just a little bit better. And once you do that, and you start posting that kind of content and follow a red line in your niche on your account, trust me, you will then have a badass account and it will grow if you also follow the AVR formula and all that stuff, right? So that's what it comes to having badass content. And once you have that, trust me, your Instagram account will blow up, okay? That's how I grew my accounts. That's how I, for example, got over 125,000 followers in 1 month, okay? That's how it works. You need badass content. And then in the next video, we will talk about early engagement. Why you need it, how it works, and yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, just feel free to let me know. We can also go in depth into like creating the content and stuff like that in one of the live calls that you will have access to with the VIP program. And yeah, if you now have any questions, feel free to send me a DM on Instagram, or you can also like ask me on Telegram, or you can ask me, you can write like an email to the VIP support. And yeah, I hope you liked this video, and I will then see you guys in the next